Namaste children, how are you? I hope all of you are well and fine. Welcome back in our science class. So children, today we are going to learn the value-based chapter as well as the value-based question answer given in your book. So this is the story of Radhika and Raman. Two children, one is a girl, Radhika is a girl, and Raman is a boy who goes to a party to enjoy there. But what happens there? There they receive different kind of food. And how these two children enjoy in their own way, let's know after learning this lesson. So Radhika and Raman went to a party with their parents. As you people also go to the party, enjoy the party with your parents, likewise these two children, Radhika and Raman, went to a party with their parents. The menu included 3 vegetables dishes, dal, curd, sprouts, salad and chapatis. Raman was expecting food items like noodles, burger and pizza. So Raman was fond of fast food. That's why he was expecting the items like noodles, burger and pizza. But what was served there? The dishes were dal, curd, sprouts and salad along with chapatis. So what happens then? He felt bad and he did not eat anything there. So that the host also felt bad because of he did not serve such kind of food that Raman likes. And here on the other hand, the parent of Raman's, they were also very embarrassed at his behavior. But Radhika was happy to see the food served there, and she tasted the food items and also liked them. So this is the whole chapter, children. So what will we get after learning this paragraph? Two children are there. One is fond of fast food, which is not good for our health, and the other child, that is Radhika, she was very adjusting and she likes to eat the normal food. So let's see the expressions and what is the questions. Let's discuss upon them. First question is, was Raman right in not eating anything at the party? Is it the right thing to avoid all the things served in the party? No, it is not right, as the host is very conscious and he served those food items which are good for health. So it is not good, it was not right that Raman did not eat anything at a party. The second question is, why did Raman's parent feel bad at his behavior? Raman parents felt bad at this behavior because their Raman didn't eat anything served in the plate. He was fond of fast food like noodles and burger, pizza, and the host served some other things. So this is not good. This is not a good habit to avoid the food items that are served if anybody calls you in the party at his home. Next question is, which is the better food? Dal and salad or pizza and burger? Yes, can you guess which is the better food? Yes, you are right, children. Dal and salad are good kind of food. Why? Because in this lesson we have learned that the nutrients are there in dal and chapatis. They are good for health. They can keep safe us from diseases, because dal is the source of protein and it is a body building food. Then salad means there are different kind of fruits and vegetables in the salad, which are the sources of mineral, vitamins. Then as we can see, they are also protective foods which can save us from various kind of diseases. That's why they are better food in comparison with pizza and burger, because they are only just they increases the body weight and they are not a good source of nutrients. That's why. Last question, what would you do if you were in Raman's place? So this question we will discuss in our class. Now children, this is the time to do an activity to make you know that whatever you learned from this lesson. Children, this is very interesting activity because you have to prepare a small menu chart of your own in which you have to write the name of the items which you like to eat in your breakfast as well as you want to eat in your lunchtime and likewise in the dinner also. There you have to mention the name of the food items that you want to eat in your breakfast, in your lunch and at your dinner time. And you must write the name of the nutrients presented in that very food items you want to eat in that very time. So children, have a look in a menu chart given in your book. Children, you have to make the menu chart like this. Means you have to write the name of the food items in the given columns and then you have to write the nutrients present in that very food item. Likewise, at the lunch time, what do you prefer to eat? Write the name of those food items, at least 3 or 5. Then write the name of the nutrient presented in that very food item. Likewise, in dinner also, write the name of the food items and then write the names of the nutrients presented in them. So you have to do this activity to learn whatever the nutrients present in that food items.